Hi everyone, can you hear me? All right. Let's give it a few more minutes and I'll go ahead and get started around 9:05. Okay, thank you for letting me know. In the meantime, while we're kind of giving it a few minutes, I have the link in the banner to join the Wikipedia speedruns lobby, and the passcode is there as well. All right, we will go ahead and we'll get started. Just a little bit of an introduction about myself. Hi, everyone. My name is Maria, and I just recently joined MLH as a coach, so I'm very new to everything, but I'm very excited to be here. A little bit about me. I'm very passionate about computer science education accessibility and also data engineering and AI, which are the two fields that I'm currently exploring in terms of my career path. And yeah, I'm just very excited to be here. This is also my first time running a stream, so definitely just bear with me within any technical difficulties. I saw somebody say in the chat that they can't hear me. Um, Let me know if that's the case for anybody else, and we'll see what we can do. All right, I think I'm good on sound. So I'm just gonna continue. And so now we'll just get into what today's stream is about. Today we will be playing Wikipedia Races, which is a game that I actually haven't played ago. I have never played before until a few days ago. So this is also going to be my first time playing within a group setting. Um, and if you haven't heard of Wikipedia Races either, then no worries. I also did not really know about it until a few days ago, like I mentioned. But it is relatively very quick to pick up on. Basically, you will have two words, and um, in this case, if we want to start, we can get two words from volunteers in the chat, or I can just like generate two words. Um, and once we have those two words, uh, we're going to start at the wiki page of the first word, and then we will be clicking on the hyperlinks within that wiki page until we get to the specified page of the second word. And whoever does this in as little time as possible and with as few clicks as possible will win that round. And you are not allowed to use things like Control F. I think that's cheating. So yeah. And for those of you who have not played before, for example, if I have two words, Toy Story and piracy, I would start at the wiki page for Toy Story, and I would go around and I would click on the hyperlinks for that wiki page until I would get onto the specified page for the second word being piracy. Um, but I think it'll make a lot more sense once we actually start playing. So before we do begin, feel free to let me know if anything doesn't make sense or if there's anything that I can clarify better. And also feel free to let me know if I'm doing something wrong, because this is also my first time playing. And yeah, let me send. The link is on the banner, the Wikipedia speedruns lobby, and the passcode is also on the banner right here as well. I will go ahead and I will start sharing my screen so you all can see. All right, is everybody able to see my screen? This is the Wikipedia Races lobby. Right now we have one player in here, but I might need to refresh. All right, let me try sharing my screen again. Hold on. Okay, you all should be able to see my screen now. And we'll go ahead and we'll give it a few minutes. I know that there's about like 12 people on the stream right now, and we'll just wait until a couple of more people join the lobby. Okay, let me see if I can figure out what's going on with my screen. All right, in the meantime, as I figure this out, we'll just give it a few more minutes until more people join the invite. And again, the invite is on the banner below me right here, and the passcode is there as well. And right now, we're just waiting on a couple of more players, and then we can go ahead and we'll get started. Also, feel free to let me know if there are any issues with joining the speedruns lobby. Right now, there's about 2 people in there, so. And while we're waiting, does anybody have two random words that they want to give so that we can use those two words as our first round? If you have any in mind, feel free to drop those suggestions in the chat. We can use those, or I could just auto generate or think of something from my head as well. All right, procrastination. It's a good one. Okay, open source. Yeah, we can start with those two. All right, I'm gonna try sharing my screen one more time. Let's see if it works. If not, we might have to just go ahead without sharing my screen. Okay. Let me know if you can see my screen. Let me know if you can't see my screen. Right now I'm showing the MLH Global Hack Week Wikipedia races, um, the lobby, and the people that are in the lobby. Here's the list of players. Can't see? Okay. Okay. How about now? I think you should be able to see it now. Okay, perfect. Sorry, that was all on me. Again, this is my first time using StreamYard, so thank you so much for bearing with me. Um, okay, so everybody can see the Wikipedia speedruns, and right now there's me in this lobby, and then there's one other person. I can give it a few more minutes if more people want to join, um, but if not, we can go ahead and I guess we can get started in like 2 minutes. And our first two words will be procrastination, and I think the second one I saw was open source. So we'll start with those two. And I think in future rounds, if we were to use like the random generator, it would work like that. So that's pretty cool as well. And if anybody has just joined, this is the link. The link is also in the banner. And then this is the passcode if anybody wants to join before we get started, or if you just want to view the stream instead of joining, that's fine as well. All right, we can go ahead and we can get started. Oh, that's because I haven't put in the prompts yet, but I'll go ahead and I'll get started now. Um, I think I'm able to see the players list because I created the room, but not sure. Okay, so we'll start with procrastination. I think it showed up. And open source. All right, so procrastination and open source have been added to the lobby for those of you playing. Oh, and I can see everybody else in the lobby as well. For those of you that are watching the stream and not playing, if you have any suggestions on stuff that you want me to click on in terms of the hyperlinks, let me know in the chat. I'll be checking back and forth. And in terms of how to play the game, basically we will have two words. In this case, we have procrastination and open source. So the first word being procrastination, we started on the Wikipedia page of. So we're right here, if I scroll all the way at the top, and basically in this Wikipedia page, we're going to keep clicking on different hyperlinks like salient, habitual, self-esteem, whichever one. And we're going to keep doing that until we get to the specified page about open source. And whoever does that in the least amount of time possible and also with the least links clicked possible will win that round. So if anybody has any suggestions on what I should click, or I can go ahead and start clicking, feel free to let me know. Yes, you do need to register and sign in to play. In the banner below is the link and the passcode. I'm not sure if you'll be able to join for this round since we already started, um, but maybe after this round is over. All right, so for instance, like the first link I clicked on was anxiety. Any suggestions for a second link that I should click on that could potentially get me to a specified page about open source? Let me check the chat. Okay. All right, I just clicked existentialism. What about meaning? If you have a strategy for how you play this game in terms of like the links that you click on, feel free to, I mean, if you want to share, put it in the chat. Um, for me, I think I'm just clicking randomly and trying to see words that could potentially relate to open source. Scientific. Maybe mathematics or theoretical computer science. Computer science. Oh wait, I wish I could go back one. I should have read the rest of the hyperlinks because I saw algorithms and stuff. Oh, hold on, let me check the chat. Okay, somebody reached in 23 clicks. And question, is it possible to go back a page or only forwards? I do not think it is possible to go back a page. I think only forwards. Oh, okay. Everybody went and completed this round very quickly, I think. Let me know if you have suggestions for what I should click. Right now, I'm on a page about computer science. I feel like it should be somewhere here. Okay. I'm really tempted to use Control F. However, make sure to not do that because that would be cheating. Um, I feel like there should be a link on this page that could just lead me to something about open source. All right, there's open recursion. Um, click on software and then open source stuff. Okay, let me see if I can try to find software. And no worries about using Control F. I would have done the same thing. Operating systems, companies, OS, Microsoft, GitHub. Okay, let's see. As you can see, I'm not the best with Wikipedia speed races, but hopefully in future rounds, I will get better. All right, so somebody said try to look for something in terms of software or any of like the companies. Hmm. Okay, software. And then let me see what the other suggestion was. Click on software and then you'll find some open source stuff. So for those of you that have played Wikipedia races before, do you typically kind of like just end the game or end the round once you've gotten to like a page that is about the topic of open source, or like should it be the Wikipedia article that is titled open source? Let me know how you play and then we can go and we can play like that. Trying to find something about open source. Okay, so it stops only when you reach the specific target page. Look for software development. Okay, software development. Okay, hopefully I'm getting closer. Source code. Oh, open source. Oh, there it is, open source. Okay, that took me a really long time. I'm pretty sure I'm the last one. Let's see the lobby leaderboard. All right, so these are the rankings. 23 links in 138 like seconds. I think let's see the lowest or the shortest amount of links. I think it was 8 then. And then there's me. Okay. Oh, this is cool. I guess this kind of like shows like a map of everything. All right, let's go ahead and let's go back to the lobby and um, start a second round. So before I go ahead and I start the second round, for those of you that have joined while I was in the first round, hi, my name is Maria and I'm a new MLH coach. The way that Wikipedia speedruns works is that if you have two words, the first word, um, you're going to be on the Wikipedia page of that first word and you're going to try to get this to the specified page of the second word. Hi, Kevin. I think Kevin is on the stream as well. But yeah, so for our next round, the Wikipedia Speedruns lobby link is below me, and so is the passcode, in case anybody would like to join that didn't get to play in the first round. For our second round, does anybody have a prompt that they would want us to go with? Like a first word and a second word. If not, I guess I can pick, or we can just randomly generate some words and we can go with that. Linux. Okay, I'm gonna go with Linux and Wizard. And we'll see what we can do with that. All right. Oh, okay. Not Wizard. Let's see. Football. Linux and football. All right. Let's go ahead and start playing. And I will be checking the chat for those of you that aren't in the lobby and have suggestions on stuff that you want me to click. But yes, our two words are Linux and football. I feel like the first time I spent too much time just like looking through and reading. This time I think I'll just try to click a lot more randomly. Okay, I'm in the state of Delaware. I feel like I should see something about sports. Sports, okay. There's something there. Okay, there's basketball, hockey, baseball, all of those, nothing about football. Okay, University of Delaware's football team. Sporting news, baseball. I wish the word was baseball, it would have been done. College football. Yes, I think you were supposed to refresh the page. And if anybody finishes, feel free to put it in the chat so we can see how quick everyone finishes this round. I feel like I'm seeing different types of football, but I'm not seeing football. You know, I just realized Maybe I shouldn't be looking for American football. And there it is. Okay. Okay. Um, Ball Association football. Let's see, FIFA. Done in 10. Wow. Okay. Go to World Cup. Okay, I keep finding association football instead of football. And I don't think that counts. I think I clicked FIFA already. Yeah, I did. Let's see, tournaments. Let me know, for those of you that have finished, if you recommend anything. League. I'll click on League. Yeah, so finding different types of football, but not just football. Let me check the chat. Yeah, history of football. Okay, thank you for that hint. Let's see, history of football, or anything related to something like that. American Football League. Super Bowl. Maybe the Hall of Fame will lead to something about the history of football, and I can get to football from here. Let's see. Let me see if anybody has. Yeah, yeah, I was looking for American football. I feel like this one is a little bit more difficult than the last round. Or maybe it's just me. I don't know. The playoffs. Oh, okay, I think it should be somewhere here. Never mind. I see association football, but not football or arena football. Maybe if I go to professional sports. Oh, history of sports. Okay, let me check the chart really quickly. Football League, like Champions League. Okay. Okay, I feel like I'm thinking too much and I should just click something from here. Let's see. Okay, I'm in sports leagues. Maybe like National Football League. Let me see. Anybody? Association of Football. Okay, let's see. Where is that? Association Football. Football or soccer. Okay, I think I'm close. Oh, there it is. Wait, never mind. I feel like I clicked on the hyperlink that said football, but then it just like led me to this, and that happened before as well. Yeah, soccer. Okay, soccer, and I will try ball. I feel like I saw somebody say something about this link. I'm not sure. Yeah, hopefully I'm almost there. Okay, I'm on the Wikipedia page for ball. Okay, so I think this is the right one. No, never mind. I went back to the same thing. Association of Football. Okay. Mm, mm. Just seeing if anybody has any suggestions. Okay, let me just scroll up and let's click on this. Football in Argentina. Okay. So football with the lowercase f is the one that I should be looking for. Women's football. Let's see. Okay. Football club like Chelsea, Barcelona. I'm just gonna keep checking the chat to see if you all recommend anything. I think this one's gonna take me the longest. Football in Argentina. Okay, so maybe if I go to Argentine Football Association, that'll lead me to football in Argentina. Not this. I am struggling. FIFA World Cup. Okay. I think this is no, this will lead me to association football, and I want the lowercase football. So I'll just click on FIFA, and let's see. Let me see if anybody has recommendations. Oh, I'm so sorry. Association football, is it? Okay, I'm gonna click it. But I feel like I'm here, and it's not saying it's the goal article. I think I clicked the wrong one. Thank you. Association football, ball, football, football. Okay, let's see where ball is. Okay, ball. Ball association football. Okay, football, and then just football. Okay. All right. I feel like this one. Before I click on it, I'm just gonna verify with the chat. This one. Okay, no, not that one. Modern ball games. Oh. Oh my gosh, it's right here. Oh wow. Okay, that was so bad. 42 leagues. Okay, that was embarrassing. All right. Thank you for your help. And let's go ahead and let's just do one final round. I know we're ending at 10. And honestly, if everybody gets this one besides me, we will just end it. Um, so yeah, for our final round, does anybody have suggestions for the two words that we should play? If not, I can go ahead and I can randomly generate some words as well. Spider. Okay. I don't know if that spelling of spider. Oh, okay. I feel like this will be very difficult. Okay, let's start with this one. And let's see how. Okay, so we cannot use this word. MLH. Okay. Let's. Okay, not MLH either. Hackathon. All right. Okay, let's go ahead and we will start playing based on spider and hackathon. University of Pennsylvania. Sure, they have some hackathons. Let's see, I don't know, academics. Oh, I wish I could click on that. And again, as always, for those of you that are not playing and you're just looking at the stream, feel free to let me know if you have suggestions on what I should click. And yeah, so right now I am on the page of University of Pennsylvania. Let's see. Or I should not think that hard. I should just click things. Forbes 400, Malcolm Forbes. I don't know. New York Times. Let's see. Let me know if you have any suggestions on what I should click from here. National security. Cybersecurity. I don't know, I just click on operating system. Computer programs. Maybe Ada Lovelace. Computer. Has anybody gotten it yet? Okay, I don't think so. Maybe digital? Or I don't know, human computer. Hmm. I have no idea what I could click here that could lead to hackathon. Let's see. I don't know. I feel like I'm getting further and further away. Just Okay, somebody found education, but we are still waiting on somebody to find hackathon, I think. I'm also trying to find education, but I don't know where I've ended up. Um, I'm on 3D reconstruction. See if we can find somebody's name and then go from there. University of Nebraska. Let's see, something about education, computer science, hackathons. Oh, they have a football team. That would have been helpful for our last round. Hmm. Education. Okay, let's see, something about engineering, computer science, undergraduate, I don't know. I think this one is definitely the hardest one. Let's see, University of Engineering and Technology in Pakistan. It's computer science or computer engineering. Maybe electrical. Oh, okay, there's nothing to click on. Okay. University of Manchester. Education, community colleges. All right, so we're still waiting on somebody to find hackathon, right? Hopefully one person will be able to find it before 10, since that is when our stream has to end. But let's see. I feel like I'm seeing a lot about subjects that are not related to hackathons. Oh, for the question in the chat, what do we learn at sessions named Wikipedia races? These sessions are just dedicated to playing a game, kind of getting your mind off of other things. And yeah, we're just playing a game. We're ending in about 2 minutes, actually. We're trying to find a word on Wikipedia that can lead us to the word hackathons. So let's see if anybody can get it in these last 2 minutes, but if not, that's okay. I think there will be another round of Wikipedia speedruns. I think maybe later today or tomorrow. So we could always start off with that then as well, with whoever runs that stream. I can let them know. Oh, I found higher education. Let's see. Somebody said trying to get from education to community college might help, I think. So let's see. Maybe Master of Library Information Science. I don't think anybody has gotten it yet. Schools, curriculum. All right, so it is 10, and I'm afraid that I think I do have to end this stream. I don't think anybody got this round, but I'm sure if we had a little bit more of time, I think somebody would have eventually gotten it. Um, yeah, so if you did get it, feel free to put it in the chat, but I'm pretty sure nobody got it. But that's okay. Like I said, we have another session of Wikipedia speedruns to my knowledge, and we could always start off with those words in that session as well if you want to join. But yeah, thank you all so much for joining me. This was my first stream. Thanks for bearing with me through the hiccups with sharing my screen and seeing me play Wikipedia races or speed races. It was really fun, and yes, make sure to stay tuned for the next streams and check the Discord as well for announcements about the next few sessions. And it was great playing with all of you. All right, bye.